Botswana utsere bana baba mitsi Botswana utsere mapochocho Wanna choose one bampile kanyamat Hausa tlale ka bonom target Different skin color shapes and sizes Samwa black bangwe baba Tswana Samwa coffee color bangwe kiri yellow bone Eish bona mwana Mtswana Hey eyes abonye Hey lips a smile Hey voice when she talks Hey butt oh shit Gay Miss World Africa Gite man watabakel Ginaletan wahalalel Utena mishade utena mushupa Utena masimu utena kailika yunanto baitel Each and every one of them a mountain her own way Talking of Bilo Talohanyo Buitaro and their physical appearance Oh no, wonder why doubt it's about Richida ho Munga lubupo Zerina kwa chuna choza ta Apoti bon Dita murago tamano Na diro kota maikuka bilo yaga She fascinating No man can resist her You want to crush a man Gotta go to Aish Her eyes are bone Her lips a smile Her voice when she talks Her butt oh shit Gay Miss World Africa Tswanian girls can build you, can break you, Jaka. Sabona tulwana buriti tilkaune hababa. Oh else, batla rikeza senja se roba la moisung. Mira, ole bone le khari le tsitsi le zuri la BW. Mwana ga innocent pretty face with a soft soothing voice like a symphony. Mwana tseritina ka hairstyle marabu. Beautiful, isn't she? She beautiful. Mwana Mtswana beautiful, isn't she? She beautiful. Botswana utsere bana baba mitsi Botswana utsere mapochocho Wanna choose one bampile kanyamat Hausa tlale ka bonom target Different skin color shapes and sizes Samwa black bangwe baba Tswana Samwa coffee color bangwe kiri yellow